it's chilly. Today, we'll be spending the day at Colorado's most iconic and biggest national park, Rocky Mountain National Park. We're here today during a snowstorm at freezing temperature of -10 degrees Fahrenheit. Over the next 12 hours, we'll be snowshoeing Colorado's most iconic trail, and you'll see views of Dream Lake, Emerald Lake, and Bear Lake like never before. And to wrap up our adventure, we're going to be spending the afternoon at the charming town of Estes Park. Let's go! We started the day early, snowshoes in hand, ready to explore a wintry Rocky Mountain National Park. For this adventure, we decided to rent snowshoes instead of buying. We got ours from Estes Park Mountain Shop. Snowshoes were $8 a pair and poles $2 per day. The snow was falling slowly, covering everything in a fresh white blanket. The sound of snow crunching under our boots was the only thing we could hear. This is Bear Lake, but what you see right now is just like a whole bunch of fog and a whole bunch of snow, but this is actually a lake. And there should be a whole bunch of mountains over there, but yeah, take my word for it. It felt quiet and peaceful.
After a quick visit to Bear Lake, we started our hike to Dream Lake and Emerald Lake. This trail is 3.2 miles with 700 feet elevation gain, which takes about 3 hours to complete. In fact, we did this hike in late spring last year and the views were magnificent, but in this snowy condition it looks so magical.
Can we go up there?
Sure.
We can?
Yeah.
We're gonna go up there?
We will.
Okay.
How are you?
I thought I would be better. I'm good, but a lot of elevation gain in a short period of time. So we got to Dream Lake and it was super windy. The storm was at its peak. And as I was saying, we had to find shelter in between the trees. But right now I'm thinking this is not much of a shelter anymore.
It's not too bad.
It is not too bad, yeah. But we're here to actually have lunch. This is a more peaceful space compared to in front of the lake. So yeah, we're gonna eat lunch and hopefully by then the storm will ease off and we'll
I don't
just
think so.
No. Okay. Well, hopefully. But for now, we're just gonna enjoy some sandwiches. Are we on the trail?
I don't think so.
No. We're not on the trail.
Wind is a little bit better now.
Yeah, but still it's like in the negatives. And it's very cold. And I don't know whose idea it was. Was it mine to come here?
I don't know. Was it?
It feels like it was mine, but like I don't know how I feel about it. Like out of all the days that we could have picked, we picked a day with a snowstorm.
But it was snowing.
Yeah, and windy at the same time, so
Yeah, and it feels like winter Wonderland, so it's fun. Except the wind.
yeah, like I would love to go to a Wonderland without a wind.
So
But
we are heading.
This is is like really beautiful, don't get me wrong, but oopsie, but if there was no wind, I would have loved it like 50 times.
So we just passed the Dream Lake on our way to Emerald Lake, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be our last stop on our way to Emerald Lake, and then on our way back, I don't think we have any stops. We're just like headed back to the warm car, and then we're gonna go to Estes Park, and we're gonna have maybe some hot chocolate or any hot beverage.
Did you know there is a chocolate factory in Estes Park?
What?
There is a chocolate factory?
Okay, we're going there. We're definitely going there. And if they have warm hot chocolate, that'll be like the highlight of my day. I mean, this is pretty cool too, but like if I get hot chocolate from a chocolate factory, that'll be it. I can see the light. I see the light. We're almost there. I can see it. This is someone's snowman with no equipment whatsoever. They tried. I'm gonna give it some eyes. It looks vicious. And then maybe hands. Well, and then we want the arms, the hands to be warm, so. Hey buddy, you'll be okay.
You made it.
We made it. And look at all this fog.
So we made it!
Yeah.
We are at elevation of 10,200 feet. The hike wasn't too bad, but the last part from Dream Lake to Emerald Lake was like the hardest part.
Yeah.
It's like the most elevation gain.
Yeah, and I would say the hike generally with snowshoes was like moderately easy, because like the snowshoes really helped us stay on the snow and not like get knee deep into the snow. But because there was still a lot of elevation gain and the trail was almost 90% of the time uphill, we would be short and out of breath at some points in the trail. But the trail was like easy, so like even if you don't have snowshoes, with these conditions you can actually come and still hike this trail with spikes. We saw a lot of people with spikes, and even with normal just like snow boots. And of course we saw some people with snowboards and skis. Yeah, but most people, I would say, were here with snowshoes, because like it gives you the opportunity to go a little bit off the trail and just like walk on fresh pow, and it's really satisfying.
But this is fun.
This is fun, yeah, for sure. You know what else is fun?
What? In 10,000 feet?
You look so pretty. Look at you. You look like a snow angel. No, we're not doing this. We're not. You can't.
Look at yourself.
Do you feel like you have overcome the challenges
Hell yeah!
like you do in life?
Yeah.
Was this rewarding?
It is really rewarding. It's cold,
Yeah.
and my ears and my face is freezing because someone threw a snowball at me. But
Oh my god, who did that?
I don't know, who was it?
I don't know, just like random person.
Random
Weirdo.
person?
Yeah.
It reminds me of our lives.
Wow.
Yeah, that although all the difficulties, we always have fun.
This is the moment that you all have been waiting for. I'm an angel.
Beautiful, it's snowing out here.
Yes. It's so hard with the snowshoe, but I don't care. This is the best thing about the hike, for the record.
Good job. With being a snow angel.
Thank you.
You're such a great snow angel.
I know, I do it so well.
So beautiful.
Just as we were about to leave, the storm stopped and this happened. So we got back from snowshoeing and we wanted to go to the chocolate factory, but it was closed. And then we wanted to go to another chocolate factory and that one was under construction. And then we wanted to go to a coffee shop, but that was also closed. And the second coffee shop was also closed, so we had to resort to the one and only. But although this town is dead and everywhere is almost closed at like 6:30, it looks super cute and still Christmassy, although it's January. So we really enjoyed our snowshoeing experience, although we did it in very extreme conditions. I personally really enjoyed it, and I think it's a great activity. It's a great winter activity for someone who does not want to snowboard or ski in Colorado. And yeah, I'll definitely do it again. 10 out of 10. Mountain views were magnificent.
Maybe not in -10 degrees.
Maybe next time not in -10. But
it was like a whole different experience, and we feel like different environment than like skiing and snowboarding.
Yeah, it was so wild. It was like we were out in the wild nature in the cold. And by the end of our snowshoeing experience, we got to see a little more calmer weather, and we saw the sunset, and it was all very magical, and I absolutely loved it.
So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more adventures.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.